Okay, Barry. This is your radio. And of course, I'm holding it upside down. You can see it's an S9 on the meter. You got plenty of audio. Okay. 100 microvolts. Channel 20. Alright. So what I found, I don't know if you can see it or not. See that connector right there? Going right up in the front of the board. You may not can see that. Let me see if I can lift this up a little bit. Make it a little plainer. There it is, right there. You see that one? That's the connector from the mode switch. It switches between AM upper and lower sideband. It had come partially out of the socket, probably due to rough handling. But see that little black blob right there? I put some hot glue, a little dab of hot glue on there to keep that damn thing from coming out again. Alright, and then on your connector back here, I tightened it up and put a little bit of blue Loctite on it so that nut wouldn't back off. Okay. Alright, I'll be doing up a label and getting it shipped back out to you. Sorry that happened, but it does happen more than what I'd like for it to. Packages get handled rough. Alright. 7-3.